make it? It's easy, Tejaswini. First, cut a bottle into 2 pieces and then make a 5 holes under the water bottle. Now, take a battery, electrical switch, a propeller and a DC motor. Now connect the propeller to the DC motor and now connect each to each other. Next, place the electric switch outside and remaining in the inside of the water bottle. Stick them in the water bottle. Now, make to the water bottle cap and fix a pipe there. Now join both the parts of the water bottle. That's it. Now see how it's working.
Very good.
Pamni, can you explain how it works? The electric motor in a cleaner pulls out air from one side. Dust is collected from dustbin and later disposed of. And new hair, dirt and dust are also collected. Hair present outside to get the other end.